Welcome to our exploration of essential statistical formulas. Today, we'll delve into the formulas for mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, which are fundamental concepts in statistics. In this video, we will guide you through some of the most important statistical formulas. Our focus will be on understanding mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, which are crucial for data analysis. Let's start with the mean, commonly known as the average. It's a simple yet powerful tool for summarizing data. For discrete data, the mean is calculated by summing all observations and dividing by the number of observations. This gives us a central value that represents the dataset. When dealing with discrete frequency data, the mean is found by multiplying each value by its frequency, summing these products, and dividing by the total frequency. This method accounts for the occurrence of each value. In continuous frequency data, the mean is calculated similarly, but here, the value refers to the class midpoint. This approach helps in handling grouped data effectively. Now, let's move on to the median, which is the middle value in a dataset when arranged in order. It provides a measure of central tendency that is less affected by outliers. For discrete data, the median is found by arranging values in ascending order and identifying the middle term. This gives us a clear picture of the dataset's center. In discrete frequency data, the cumulative frequency is calculated, and the median is the value where this cumulative frequency crosses half the total number of observations. This method helps pinpoint the central value in frequency distributions. For continuous frequency data, the median is calculated using a formula that considers the lower boundary of the median class, cumulative frequency, frequency of the median class, and class width. This approach provides a precise measure of central tendency in grouped data. Next, we have the mode, which is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. It's a useful measure for identifying the most common value. In discrete data, the mode is simply the value with the highest frequency. This gives us insight into the most prevalent data point. For continuous frequency data, the mode is calculated using a formula that involves the frequencies of the modal class and its neighboring classes, along with the class width. This method helps identify the most frequent class in grouped data. Finally, let's explore standard deviation, or SD, which indicates how much the values in a dataset vary from the mean. It's a key measure of data dispersion. For discrete data, standard deviation is calculated by taking the square root of the average of squared deviations from the mean. This formula provides a measure of variability within the dataset. In continuous frequency data, standard deviation is calculated similarly, but it incorporates the frequency of each class. This approach helps in understanding the spread of values in grouped data. We've covered a quick overview of important statistical formulas, including mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. These tools are essential for analyzing and interpreting data effectively. Please note that this video is intended for educational purposes only. It's important to use statistical methods with proper guidance or supervision to ensure accurate results. Thank you for joining us in this educational journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to comment below with any questions or suggestions.